my company. You're. Oh, come on, man. I got food. What's going on? I was gonna join that guy, but I wasn't, so sorry. Golly, out loud.
Don't believe me all you want. That is what happens when you get on. That is what happens when you add her to the call.
I got lightsaber.
Teleportation.
That is what happens when you add her to the call.
Go towards that bunch of smiley faces and look at.
Freaking missed. Golly.
Bro, it's literally teleportation, bro. Literally show
No,
you.
I don't.
Okay, I'm actually gonna join that guy. Man, I'm nothing, bro. What else do you need me to do? You're.
Boo. Bro, I literally, I was wondering why you weren't coming, so I went down and then I quickly went back up when you came.
Yeah, but you didn't scare me. That wasn't even scary.
$5.59 home road fuel. Don't spend it.
But I said the most scary thing ever. Boo.
Is it
Mine.
behind?
I'll give you the stat if I can have that back.
Huh?
Come on.
I'll give you a stat. Wait, I want to see.
Okay, give me that first,
let's
and I'll
go.
give you this. Deal?
Don't you dare scam me.
Okay. Let me put. Oh.
It's just that one's better than this one. Actually,
Oh!
this is more OG.
Wait. Hey. Hey, you wanna go mining?
Turn around for a second. Turn around for a second.
You wanna go mining first?
You want to do a digging boss?
No, the mining first. You wanna do mining first?
Actually, wait. I don't even need this. I just want to. Wait. I'm wondering. Do you have any goop save spots left?
No.
I think we got about 90%.
Let's go mining. Come on. I don't have a date. Come on.
No, let's go moon map.
No, we're going mine.
Wait, no, wait. Listen to me. Let's go moon map. I realized you could still get the neon jukebox.
Why do you wanna?
I didn't know that you could still get it.
Wait! You butthole!
Yeah, guys, come on. Turn the show. Let's go to a sound.
Motherfucker!
Right there.
You rascal! You dare leave me? You dare leave me? You get back here. Wait, bring some moon rocks. Bring some moon rocks.
I found out it was fake.
Bring some moon rocks.
I didn't actually find it there.
Help me!
Placed it there
Get some
somehow.
moon rocks. Get some moon rocks. Don't you care?
I guess somebody just placed it there somehow.
No, let's go get moon rocks. That big.
Wait, can I show you something?
Huh? You're in there. Oh, you wanna go mining first? Before
Wait,
we
can I
go
show
to
you
the
something?
boss?
No, let me show you something.
Where do you want?
Get on. Hop on with a jukebox. Hop on with that.
Where do I put this? I don't.
I can give you another staff.
We're banging on some good new content.
Carry yourself.
For sure. I got that.
You know what? I got an idea. Don't explode it.
So, I'm not missing, but I was. I didn't see that video from the lid. That was awesome. Guys, Wiley. Hi, Wiley. Back to the truck.
Wait, that's a new feature. Let's go. Never know. I did not know that you can blow up. You can make the cars blow up. I did not know about that.
One of the nastiest ones I've seen.
You destroyed it.
No.
Stop.
Okay, fine. I'll
I'll
stop.
show you something.
Fine, I'll stop. Fine. Oh, you're going up. Oh, God. Let me get up there. Stop moving. I'm ready.
Do not hit the car. Let me show you something.
Oh, I'm hitting
that you
something.
should do
I'm hitting something.
The first time Moon Map came out.
I wasn't trying to hit it. It literally just hit
I'll
its
buy
toe.
you a new one. Can you just put that on your back? Bro, put it on your back.
Oh, then I'll hold it back then.
Yeah, because that cannot destroy our moon car. Now let me get some beans.
Can we go mining after this? Can we go mining
Okay,
after
let's go.
Can we go mining after this? Stop!
Imagine if I actually damaged people.
Oh wait, they said add a feature like where you can like when you run over someone, it does damage. You should add that, right?
But you don't get red watch for killing them.
Yeah.
Wait, I used to do, bro. I used to do this all the time when the moon map first came out.
Bro, when I played like in 2020. When did you
I am
start
literally
playing?
riding the wall.
When did you start playing Animal Company?
A long time ago.
Tell me what day. Like 2025, 2024 or something? I don't know.
I can't remember, but it was like when the OG map was still a thing.
Like Christmas, like Christmas.
Still OG map.
Like what? Was it Halloween?
Out.
Oh, was so
before Moon Map came out.
So what day was that? 2025? Probably.
I don't know. I can't remember.
The Moon Map came in like 2025, so you came in 2024 probably.
No, I'm pretty sure I came like a year before that, maybe.
Oh, I came in 2024 to Christmas.
But I literally drove on the wall. Isn't that sick?
Yeah, I drove on it. I went all the way around the entire map. What are you doing? Stop it!
Bye.
Stop it!
I'm kidding. Bro, get back on.
Try me again.
Get
Try
back
me
on.
again and it blows up.
Hey, get back on. I'm joking. No. That's fair.
Yeah, faster, boy.
Look, I'm gonna do it one arm.
Ah!
Hey, why'd you fall off?
I know you're good. I saw your laser. It was blowing it.
Bro,
Wait.
what
listen.
laser?
You have a laser. Wait. The mining laser.
Can't. You cannot grab the front.
Then why is that handled in? That should be handled where you can grab it. Now you can have it for the POV of a car now. Golly, stop it.
But can I show you something cool?
What?
You cannot be. Don't be on Purvis. Okay, get off Purvis.
Okay, I'll get off.
I said get off.
It's gonna be.
Wait. Watch this. Watch this.
Man, look at this, bro. Oh. Oh my golly. I'm in the air. Where you at? Oh, I see you.
Whoa, right.
I see you, bro. Spin around this place 10 times. Oh my god. Driving nothing. You hit the brakes. He's falling. Oh. Despawns in 1 minute, so I'm good. leash. Oh no! Ow! Man, move. We're going this way. Someone's here. Oh, that's just you. Bye bye. Going on the walls, bro. I'm going higher. Bro, look at me. Man. Bro, help me.
Wait,
Go, run.
stop driving.
No, he's gonna tackle me. Daniel JT, buddy. Oh, shoot.
Stop driving.
I can't. It won't stop. Let's go.
Press the left.
I know.
Press left trigger.
I know how to do it. Look at this. Look at this.
Stop turning.
I'm not trying to turn. Look, I'm doing a wheelie. Not wheelie. A front wheelie. Oh shit! We're about to crash.
I'm following you. I'm a follower. Wait, this would actually be 6. This is actually 6.
Yeah. Wait. You drive and I put a hook shot. Okay. Chill, bro.
I will end us both right now.
You can't. Oh shoot! Go. You dummy. Now we have to respawn back to spawn. Bye bye.